We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask firm returns for you guys to smash that like button. And here we are with Csse, Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment Inc. And we need to break down some key levels here and what has happened to the stock and how this is correlating to Rdbx. Now, it wasn't the only stock falling today. The QQQ fell as well, and our QQQ bot sent out a bear indicator since 10:50 a.m. And from that moment forward, put options went up 200% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, getting connected to our 42 vision indicators, our SPY bot, QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot. And we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. So what's going on here with Csse? Well, this is the company that did the merger with Rdbx, and Rdbx is no longer a ticker symbol. If not, it is now part of this company. We need to break down some key levels and what's going on here on why it fell and it gravitated towards these numbers. You want to know this information. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at our Discord by our Tesla bot. And as you see them popping up there on the screen, these are some of the home runs I mention every single morning in our morning briefs this week. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Not guaranteed to be this way, but we look for them and we strive for them. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and know what stocks we're watching in our morning briefs, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of our growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the stocks I mentioned this morning gave jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus. But our home run of the day was from our Tesla bot, sent out a bear indicator at 9:45 a.m. And from that moment forward, put options went up 300% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edge and clarity over the charts with our 42 vision indicators, getting connected to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, our 42 vision indicator. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Csse, Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment Inc. And this is basically Rdbx incorporated into the value of this stock, because based off this stock is how Rdbx holders were paid in this dividend spinoff, right? Or this merger. And we're going to break it all down in today's video. And we're going to look at some key levels here for those that are holding or looking for an opportunity within Csse, right? Because Rdbx no longer exists. It's now part of this company for those that see value, right? So I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to our SPY bot, QQQ bot, newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. And in today's video, I'm also going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator that gives us that extra add-on of confirmation within the volatility, and you can now gain access to it as well by joining. The link is down below in the description. So here we are with Csse, and you could see how we're under a bear indicator here. Complete shift from this spike in the pre-market from bright green all the way down towards red. We haven't hit a dip area, which is why with red borders, but significant pull down from the peak up here at $17 down towards 13. You could see on the outflows, things were picking up in the pre-market going downwards. And when it crossed, things became more significant towards the bell and the continuation of falling from $15 all the way down to 12. Now people are trying to buy it back up, and that's why things are kind of consolidating. But if it's really going to move to the upside, it needs to break through resistance levels, but most importantly, cross that midpoint. We don't just want to see green, if not cross that midpoint and get strength like it did right here. Look how things were picking up here, consolidation, and then once it crossed It was actually the bar right before the bull indicator. Got that bull indicator, double confirmation, and full strength on 42 vision. And that's why things ran yesterday from that dip area. Now, it's going to take a lot more strength to move from here, but we're watching this very carefully here on the 30-minute. I'm going to share with you guys the support and resistance levels I'm watching, because there are some people that received this payment, right, from Rdbx going into this merger, and you could see it here in this article. It states here, Redbox is now officially part of Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment as the $375 million deal closes. Now, based off what we talked about in yesterday's video, people were valuing, right, Rdbx was going to get bought out for 51 cents at the time of that article coming out back in June, right? Now, the deal was $375 million, which is a little bit above the current level prices that yesterday closed out at 150, right? So when you look at this whole entire chart, Csse flew to the upside in the pre-market and continue to go higher because of this merger news. And today, a lot of profit taking or people just closing out their positions because they know Rdbx doesn't exist anymore and they got their piece and value through this merger, right? But those that are holding or looking for an opportunity still here with Csse, as it's ran from way down here at the $5 range to about $10 to $12 before this actually spiked up to 17. Some are starting to state there could be some speculation or hype around this stock. Not guaranteed, not financial advice, but this is what's being stated. This is my perspective, opinion alone from the due diligence that I've done, and I encourage you to do more research. But right now, this is at a weak point, and it's trying to consolidate and bring itself back up. It's not guaranteed to go back up to 15 or 17, but if it starts picking up momentum and those inflows cross, it could start getting interesting, right? Now, when you zoom out here on the 4-hour, you could see a lot of inflows. Things kind of leveled off, and it just got red. Now, it got a bear indicator as well, so this could go into further weakness, especially if it breaks through supports that we are going to talk about in today's video. On the 1 day though, still in the uptrend, and we need to see if it's going to level off or completely switch back towards a red bar. That bull indicator from way down here at $7.90 is still active, no bear indicator, and full strength here on 42 vision. And there you could see a complete transition from the dip area to the rip area, consolidation and continuation, and also things cross the inflows since way back at this time. This was just a little bit of a shakeout there. You could see it, but not enough to destroy the chart, and inflows were predominant all this time. And this is when things really picked up here from $10 to 17, nearly almost doubling towards the dates of the merger. So big stuff going on here with Csse, and I want investors to understand it. I mean, a lot of people did not even know that this was in the process, and Rdbx stock was going to get acquired by Csse at some point, and this was officially confirmed and voted by the Rdbx shareholders at $375 million deal. So here we are with the consolidating. What am I watching? The first thing is support here at 1326. We want that to stay strong. We want to see the inflows continue to pick up, break through that midpoint, go up and a pull away from it, and then get back towards this resistance level of 1544. And then if that is crossed, then the highs up here of 1773 will be significant moving forward. Now, on the 15-minute, same thing. It's getting really, really close there. You could see that there, trying to bring itself back up, consolidating here between $13.50 and $14. We need to watch this carefully, but the first resistance is up here at 1530s and up here at 1560s. Super important to break through that and actually have some strength. And I want to see these inflows pick up as we talked about here on the 30-minute and 15-minute, and these bear indicators to get canceled out by possible bull indicators as things start to go upwards. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.